Hello. I'm waiting for everything to start getting going. As we go live, it takes a couple seconds. So welcome to my world. All right, I've had a lot of coffee this morning, and I'm really excited to share with you something I'm working on. So I have a class that I'm working through right now. We're going to go into beta, and then I'm delivering it for an 8-hour class to SCOG in September. So I need some help figuring it all out. I did the first part this morning. It's all documented. Everything's looking great. But have you ever wanted to do Survey123 with buffers? Because buffers are an amazing piece of content. And how hard is it to make buffers in Survey123? So imagine this. You're out doing nesting birds or something, and you find a bird that needs to have a buffer around the tree because they're nesting and you can't do construction within that site while they're nesting. So what do? We put buffers on it. So I'm not going to tell you that I programmed the script for buffers. I am going to tell you I found the script on the Esri community, and it wasn't quite working the way it was supposed to be working. So I had somebody help me, and now it's working. So let me show you what it is, because you're going to want to know. Here we go. Okay, so here's what this looks like. We're going from field maps into Survey123. We're bringing the point from field maps and the name of a rare plant. This is just the Survey123 part of this, but we've brought the field name in. We actually will bring the lat long in also. And if you have a point and you need a buffer around your point, all you have to do is come over here, tell it how big the buffer is. This one's in meters. And then you come over here. Oops, I'm on my computer. I can't do that one. And if I tell it that I'm over here, I'm going to get buffers right around that lat long. Now, right now, I haven't connected field maps yet. All I've done, I'm building out the Survey123 so I can publish it. But I want to tell you what's so cool about these buffers. There's a script on the back end. And the script does some amazing things. Let me open up my files, scripts, and there's this buffer. Oops, I can't open it there. Let's see if I can open it. Open with. I think a notepad might work. Okay. So there's this script, and there's a lot of information. So how do you make a buffer in Survey123? Well, first you take the point and you go up however many meters, and you make a dot, and then you make a dot, and you make a dot, and you make a dot all the way around in a circle. It's math. So it's not a circle like you and I think, but it's a circle so that we can visualize it. So look what we have here. I'm so excited. The difference between the buffer stand and the buffer function, I believe, I did not code this, but I believe what that does is one is all the dots and one is more of all the lines. So if you love code, this is really exciting. That is where we're going to go with all of that. And then we can come down here and do our inspection and grab some information from a CSV file and go. Anyways, this is the class that I'm putting together. This is the Survey123 that we're doing. Let me show you how to build it out just for a few minutes because I'm really excited. Come up here to new surveys, and then we'll put some kind of, I'm going to put test because I'm going to delete it as soon as I'm done here. Because you can tell I have a lot of surveys I probably need to go in and delete. Let's see. I'm just going to grab that other one. I'm going to say create a survey. Now there's a few things you need to do. Now in the class, I'm going to give you all of the information. Okay, so this is my old one. This is the brand new one. Anyways, you're going to have points, lines, and polygons and buffers. So the point comes down and you can create a buffer if you use point. And then lines and And Polygons, you can do those too. Anyways, I'm going to give you all this information so you don't have to do anything. You get all the code. All you have to do is sign up for the class. There's also a script that you're going to get. You'll notice I don't have a script in here. So what I'm going to do is, I just want to make sure I can get there. Go into my survey designs. I'm going to go in here and you're going to get that script. But what I'm going to do is when I share this with you, I'm going to just do a copy and I'm going to come over here to my test and I'm going to say paste. And it always has to say scripts. And that's how Survey123 knows that that's the folder it's going to connect to. If you say script, it probably won't work. In fact, I'm pretty sure it won't work. So once you do that, then you come over here and you do updates. And what that does is that's going to handshake with your scripts. And now when you go to point and rare plants and you tell it that you have a lat long, you're going to get buffers. I hope that you are enjoying this. Oh, I got a thumbs up. Thank you so much. This is awesome. This is something that we're working on right now. I built this out this morning. We've used this in other places. But I'm building out the how-to because now with all of the AI and all that information, I want to make sure that it all works. So everything is up to date and we are putting this together. I'm going to do some beta versions of the class and then I'm going to do the live 10 or 8-hour class in September. So if you're interested, let me know and I will talk to you soon. I'm just really excited that you're here and I know it's the weekend. I hope you have a spatial day and a beautiful weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.